Samsung fans, the wait is almost over. Prepare yourselves for the arrival of the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 series, and trust me, the excitement is only just beginning. We've already seen a few press renders of the lineup, but the latest leaks are revealing some game-changing features that could redefine the way we think about smartphones. Specifically, if you're a gamer, you'll want to pay attention because the Galaxy S25 is bringing a brand new level of mobile gaming to the table. One of the standout features that's caught the attention of tech enthusiasts is game frame interpolation technology, powered by Qualcomm's Adreno Frame Motion Engine AFME 2.0. This innovation is a game changer, allowing games that typically run at 60 Hz or 60 FPS to smoothly hit 120 Hz or 120 FPS, creating a level of fluidity that's nearly unheard of in mobile gaming. But that's not all. Leaked details suggest that the Galaxy S25 also benefits from Qualcomm's Snapdragon Game Super Resolution technology, which intelligently ups the resolution of games without overburdening the system. This means you'll get higher frame rates without sacrificing performance or draining your battery. For those of you who've experienced throttling on your previous devices, Samsung is addressing this with a new feature built into One UI 7.0. It's an advanced performance management setting designed for gamers who want more control over their device's temperature and performance. While it's unlikely that Samsung will allow users to disable thermal throttling entirely, especially on flagship models like the Galaxy S25 Ultra, these performance optimizations are sure to improve gameplay. But let's talk design because the Galaxy S25 Ultra has undergone some serious refinement. The phone features a sleek new look with rounded corners, taking inspiration from the latest design trends for a more ergonomic and comfortable feel in the hand. If you've seen the early renders, you'll notice that the titanium blue color stands out, giving the S25 Ultra a luxurious, premium appearance. And for those who like to stand out, exclusive colors will be available directly from Samsung's website, giving you even more options to match your personal style. On the inside, the Galaxy S25 series is going all in on power. The base Galaxy S25 is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, offering significant performance boosts compared to the previous generation. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or using Adreno features, this processor delivers exceptional performance. And for those wondering, all Galaxy S25 models will feature 12 GB of RAM, ensuring that even the most demanding tasks run smoothly. This is an upgrade from the previous year's 8 GB, so expect a more fluid experience across the board. As for the display, Samsung continues to push the envelope with a jaw-dropping 6.9-inch QHD Plus screen, capable of reaching a peak brightness of 3000 nits. This means that whether you're outdoors in direct sunlight or in a dimly lit room, the S25 Ultra's display will shine. Additionally, it's equipped with second-generation Corning Gorilla Armor Glass, which not only provides superior protection against drops and scratches, but also minimizes glare, making it easier to see the screen in any lighting condition. Now let's talk about cameras because the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to pack an impressive 5-camera setup that could take mobile photography to a whole new level. With a combination of Sony IMX and Samsung ISO CDLS sensors, this system is designed to cover all your photography needs. The primary camera is expected to feature a 200MP Samsung ISO CDLS sensor, capturing incredibly detailed shots, while the ultra-wide camera gets an upgrade to 50MP. This should improve both your wide-angle shots and close-up photography. There's also a periscope lens with 5x optical zoom, giving you more flexibility when it comes to shooting distant subjects. On top of all this, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will introduce a car crash detection sensor, a safety feature that's becoming increasingly important in today's world. This sensor, which builds upon technology already found in previous Samsung devices, has the potential to save lives by detecting car accidents and alerting emergency services. While this feature has yet to be confirmed for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it's a welcome addition if it becomes available. The leaks surrounding the S25 Ultra have generated so much buzz, and it's no surprise. With cutting-edge technology, a stunning design, and a camera system that promises to push the boundaries of mobile photography, the S25 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most exciting devices of 2025. Samsung has raised the bar, and with One UI 7.0 bringing even more features to the table, this flagship device is likely to be a game-changer in the smartphone world. As we approach the official unveiling of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the anticipation is only building. From its striking design to its powerhouse internals, this device promises to offer everything you need in a flagship phone, and then some. So if you've been waiting for the next big thing in smartphones, the Galaxy S25 Ultra might just be the phone you've been dreaming of. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to its official release.